I have no doubt that you have all seen some version of this. But is this just another scam? And if not, would it help you? This is Estelle. Before you spend the money on a percussion gun or percussion gun add-on, I will break down how this works and who benefits from this tool. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. You do not need lotion to use this tool. If you do, it will get gross and goopy. Each one is a little different, but there are always some extensions of some kind, like this one. For just general working bigger muscles, especially if they're tender. There's usually one like this. That is made of plastic, so it's a bit more intense. And this one works best for detailed work or to work on your hands and feet. To turn it on, there's usually a switch. My switch is at the bottom of the handle. Then there is a button to get it going like this. You always have some way to turn it up or down if you need more intensity. Percussion guns work by using this super fast back and forth motion to trick your nervous system into telling the muscle to let go. The muscle spindle nerve has one job: to tell the brain what your muscle tension is. Percussion guns are designed to trick the muscle spindle nerve to tell the brain, oh no, we gotta reduce the muscle tension. Of course, the brain is going to oblige. It can trigger a similar response in the Golgi tendon organ in your ligaments, but that is riskier. So focus on the muscles, especially the muscle belly, where the muscle spindle nerve is. Yes, it works. It helps the fascia and trigger points a little bit. This isn't going to make up for a lifestyle that doesn't work for you either. Any adhesions and trigger points that can't be worked out by the percussion gun will still cause pain if left alone too long. All in all, this is a great tool. It works best for people with general tension, especially from overuse. Please do not go over your joints. It can do damage to joints, especially if you hang out there on a regular basis. This is not a good tool for you if you have high hypermobility, blood clots, or severe lymphedema. Also, don't use it on any tumors. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.